All right, boys, something to watch for on new boat trailers. I don't know if you can see how uneven the wear on this tire is, but this boat trailer's got like 1,000 miles towed on it. It shouldn't have wear like this, so there's a problem in the bearings. And Mr. Larry's garage here in Fort McCoy told me that after about 100 miles, you need to get your bearings checked and repacked, because it'll cause, it can get loose and cause wobbling on the entire rim. So that's what we're doing today, is having him check these bearings and repack them. And also make sure that your tire pressure is always up to speed, up high enough. Dragging on low tire pressure kills your gas mileage and destroys your trailer tires like this too. All right, boys, so you unscrew these new hubs and your grease fitting is right here. Don't listen to the salesman who tells you they're maintenance-free fittings. You need to grease them.
These are just simple, you should know things.
Exactly. Everybody with a boat should know this. I mean,
yep. Well, anybody that buys or deals with trailers should know this.
absolutely, yeah.
Nice thing about these hubs here is they're screwing.
Yeah.
So they got a seal on them. You don't have to worry about them leaking.
Oh, so it kind of works like a oil filter?
Seal. Actual seal.
I see. How often should you replace that seal?
It just depends on how many times on and off, wear and tear.
Gotcha.
This system that they did here is a zinc-coated system, which is great. You won't have to worry about electrolysis destroying everything so fast. See how loose that was?
Uh-huh.
I could probably get, I know I can get one. Probably two ticks out of it. Yeah, 2 would be perfect right there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it anyway, just to see what type, how full it is.
Now, is there a second bearing behind that one like the old ones?
Yep, they're the same as they used to be.
Gotcha.
Looking good. Grease color's fine.
What would you be looking for if it was bad?
Pits in the bearing.
Okay.
You'd have marks in the bearing like chafing, pinholes, rough look.
Okay.
Like grinding up steel.
Sure.
This right here is a perfect sign of good wear.
Okay, good.
You're catching it early. You're not letting it get destroyed. On the way to a good day of fishing could be a bad day on the side of the road with a destroyed axle, and then you would spend $1,000 for an axle.
No doubt. No doubt. Nobody wants that.
Bad day of fishing is a better day than a good day at work.
That's right.
I'd rather be fishing, but I got to get to that point.
Mr. Larry, you call me. Got a free boat ride anytime you want one.
Yeah, I ain't got time. That's my problem.
I hear that.
They got this thing full, so they did their job there. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a simple service instead of a full service, because it does not need it. Save you a little bit of money, save you some time. We're going to do a set. We're going to charge it. These bearings are full to the end. Take care of it like I do. It's when they leave, they're full. This is real clean and does not need to be disturbed any more than we have to.
Nice.
Okay. There's a perfect set. Down here.
So you said on a new trailer you should check it after about 100 or 200 miles.
On the first service.
Gotcha.
And after that, just jack it up, check your play as long as you're snug, smooth turning.
Yep.
You shouldn't have to do any readjustments for many years.
Good to know.
Grease color's good. A little bit of plays the same as the other side.
You never know, man. Like 1 million people could watch this. Sometimes these videos I put up just blow up.
You doing TikTok or just general?
I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.
Okay.
I've done about, gosh, probably like 30 podcasts now.
Cool.
Mossy Up Gamekeepers, Big Bass Streams, Alex Rudd, Tackle Talk. I've been on a bunch of different things. I've been very fortunate. It started paying me. I got monetized on YouTube.
That's nice. Cool. Pay for bait.
Yeah, paid to go. It's funny though, because like you can do what I consider a really good video and nobody watches it. And then you just do some half-assed thing and a million people watch it. It makes no sense. But
tension is at 0.
so if they're out, you'll have wobble in that tire when you check it like that, when you pull on it. Gotcha.
Spins nice and free. So the tension is set. Grease is good. Instead of it being a full hour labor, it'd be a half hour labor. Save you some money.
Heck yeah.
Pay for more bait. All right, simple and done.